Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market analysis for April 1st, which is Friday. And today came out NFP this morning. First, the FOMC member spoke at 8:15. At 8:30, NFP came out. Non-farm employment change, whatever you want to call it, came out 216. Expectations were 191, and a prior was 194. The unemployment rate came out at 8.8%. Expectations were 8.9, same as prior. The average hourly earnings came out flat. Expectations were 0.2, and the prior was flat as well. FOMC member is going to speak at 9 o'clock. At 10 o'clock, we have ISM Manufacturing PMI. It's going to be the big number of the day. Looking for 61.1. Prior was 61.4. The construction spending is also coming out negative 0.1 is expectations. Negative 0.7 is the prior reading. ISM manufacturing prices looking for 83.1. Prior reading was 82. And all day total vehicle sales are going to be coming out looking for 13.3 million. Prior reading was 13.4. So a little bit less for that one there. And daylight savings time is going to change in New Zealand and Australia Saturday. So that's interesting. Anyway, ISM PMI is now the big number. Non-farm unemployment did come out a little bit better. Average hourly earnings, not so well, but these are the two biggies right here. And now the ISM manufacturing PMI is going to be, pretty important. And then these two, if they coincide with this one, it should be interesting. And let's go to the charts. And right now, this is what I'm looking at. Looking for this to, perhaps buy up a little bit more. And, then we should see a pretty nice sell after that. And then they could buy it up once more. As far as what I'm looking at, it was definitely very choppy night, into a early morning chop. And then they just, took off from there. So definitely very interesting right now. It came up 30 half so far is the number that's been hit. We'll have to wait and see how the market opens to which way we want to go. So far it does look, like they are taking this a little bit higher. So perhaps, this could be viewed a couple different ways. So that's why I'm waiting on it to see if it's going to buy up any more or if it's just going to sell from this point. Selling from this point would, definitely show that, especially if it gets down here, price gets down here, it's going to show that this is in fact a corrective top and we're going to sell down pretty well. So that's what I'm waiting for to happen. That's why I'm waiting for the market to open to really get any clarification one way or the other. We should see a pretty fun open. We did have a better unemployment rate, better NFP come out. So there's definitely a few ways that the market could take this. They could have been expecting this all along, so they would sell it off, or they could be expecting better things in the future because of it and buy it up. So that's why we'll have to wait and see. I kind of think that they were expecting it, so they're gonna sell it. But like I said, we'll have to wait and see what happens. Hope you guys do enjoy these videos. If you do, please click the Twitter, Facebook like buttons. Definitely would appreciate that. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the markets. Thank you.